New Year, van lifers and wanderers.
Happy New Year!
Happy 2021. We're here at Wright Park.
This video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren.
It's Wright Park. We're in Wright Park right now. We are in Wright Park. So dito madalas mag-park yung mga tao, turista mag-park din. Yung iba talaga para mag-camp. So Shella will be riding her bike today. Hindi pa marunong mag-bike si Shella, so dito siya mag-aaral sa Wright Park. It's our second day of bike training today. So let's see. Happy New Year, van lifers and wanderers.
Happy New Year!
Happy 2021. We're here at Wright Park. Nagbabike lang si Shelo and we did some minor run.
Anti lang.
Unti-unti lang, syempre. So there's Cielo. Ayan. She's learning how to ride the bike on her own, so balancing lang muna. Pero kasi kung hahawakan ko pa, mapapagod ako lalo. So we're here, tambay lang sa van. This is one of the advantages of having your own camper van, di ba? Para ka nasa sala mo lang or nasa bedroom mo.
Ayun na siya.
Usually itong lugar na ito yung paradahan talaga ng mga paradahan at campingan ng mga tao, yung mga gusto magmerienda. Ayan, andito sila. May nagmerienda dito sa side na to si Sir. Meron din sa kabilang mga part doon. Enjoy lang tayo. Go, Shella. Go. Keep going.
When I feel like I'm going to fall, I press it.
Very good.
Keep going.
Small kids, ha?
Taho, strawberry and ube.
sir.
Ha?
Isago.
Yes sir, lagyan mo sago sir. So, kanang bibigay sir ng straw para bawas kalat, no?
Nakakain daw ng pawikan, namamatay.
Yes.
tumalpat na.
Ay, mabayad. Siyempre ikaw. So I don't have a change.
Strawberry lahat, sir.
Isang ube.
Okay, ano tayo?
60. That's the ube for myself.
Happy New Year!
Dapat pala ako bibiling ano? The oil?
So we're buying balot. Ayun po, 20 pesos ang isang balot. Taga saan kayo sa Baguio?
Maklab po.
Loknab. So 20 pesos, meron din silang chicharon nandun sa kabilang bag. Magkano ang chicharon nyo?
15 po.
50 naman ang chicharon. Of course, you can eat balot shell. That's why we bought 5.
Gusto mo bang,
So yung taho andun pa, nagbebenta pa.
gusto mo chicharon?
Doon kanina mga yan bumili ng taho. One chicharon, 5 balot.
Yay! May asin tayo?
Ano po?
Mainit pa?
Ang kapal music.
Mainit pa.
Peace and quiet. Peace and quiet. I like it.
Alright. Ngayon, naman,
As well.
salt daw.
Hindi daw asin, salt daw.
Yun oh.
Kasi wala na
Sana hindi malaki ang puti. Or yung bato.
Sarap.
Sarap po dito.
How about you?
sarap.
Sarap po, tita? Yeah. Are you enjoying your day?
Yes. On my part.
Here she comes. Sige pa. Ang galing na anak. Go, Shala!